Keep me in the water 'cause I'm going fishing. I'm going fishing all day long. Keep me in the water 'cause I'm going fishing.
Time to finish this rod so we can go fishing. I've got an old box, made some slits in it. We're going to use it to hold the rod when we put the finish on. Put the rod sections securely into the box. I've made little slits in addition to the V's to hold them in tightly. In addition, we want to make sure that the pieces in the box are as level as possible. We'll need just a few things to help us prepare the finish. Something to stir it with, a non-porous cup, and some aluminum foil. Hey, that's perfect. You'll make a small dish with the aluminum foil. Nothing fancy. That'll work just fine. The directions for mixing the finish is in the packet that we supply. But let me just review. We're going to need 3 cc's of the hardener and the resin using the syringes into the cup. We're going to pour or squeeze the 3 cc's of both the resin and the hardener into the cup. We'll mix thoroughly until the bubbles mostly disappear and the cloudiness leaves. Keep mixing until the cloudiness disappears, leaving a marbling appearance. Continue to mix until all the marbling is gone and the mixture is clear. Total mix time should be just about 2 minutes. Pour the finish into the aluminum foil dish. Now begin to apply the finish while turning the rod and go just a tad beyond the end of the wraps. You can go over or under, it really doesn't matter. Pretty easy, huh? Remember, if you put a custom label on your rod, you want to put finish over that too. In order to make sure that the finish doesn't just drip to one side, we have to turn the rod every 6 to 8 minutes, 180 degrees. About 2 hours is enough. Your new rod is ready. It's time to head to the water.
Keep me in the water 'cause